I'm gonna show you guys how to replace this check valve assembly. Sometimes you got your water's leaking, sprout leaking water usually is coming from this valve here. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace it. Okay. The first thing you wanna do is, of course, turn off your main water valve. Once you do that, release all the pressure, get all that water out. Next you wanna do is you wanna take this handle out. This one takes a 2.5 size Allen wrench. Another thing you want to do is put some down here to cover your drain, just in case a screw or something falls down, it's not going to go down a drain. Next you want to do is take this off. This should come right off. And of course you want to clean it up a little bit later. I end up buying this part here because what happened is I couldn't get this piece off here, guys. Because this turns, this cartridge turns, but what happened was, let me show you here. You unscrew it, it comes off. But since this piece needs to be put on, and when you try to screw it on, it comes off, it falls out. So what I had to do was I actually had to go out and buy this whole brand new piece. So all I'm gonna do is just gonna unscrew it, put this on, and take the cartridge and swap it back on there. Seal here. Make sure it's flush, flat, and everything here. And you put it on. Next, I'm gonna put this piece in. Again, this goes on the bottom, right? Okay, that's on. Take this screw off so that I can. All right, before you put this on, I'm gonna spray some, just a little bit grease, lithium grease, so that if you ever have to take it off, it'd be pretty easy. All right, it slides on here just like that. Oh yeah, let's see here, you gotta get it started. There it goes. Then use a crescent wrench and just turn it a bit, but you don't want to too tight, right? Just enough where it doesn't leak. You want the Delta wooden to be down, so let's start this one first. Okay. You put your handle back on and put your set screw in and tighten it back up.